The LC300 replaces the legendary LC200, and in doing so, it has also moved to a new and different platform. Although the new Land Cruiser is still a rugged body-on-frame SUV, it's now based on Toyota's modular TNGA platform. Thanks to this, it's nearly 200 kgs lighter than its predecessor and also has a lower center of gravity. In terms of design, its proportions are still quite boxy and utilitarian. However, thanks to a wide grille and sleek LED headlamp, it looks touch too modern now. Even the cabin looks more sophisticated. There's a big touchscreen infotainment system, a new steering wheel, more premium plastics, leather upholstery, and so on. Overall, the cabin design and layout are much cleaner and minimalistic than that of the outgoing version. The all-new LC300 is headlined by a pair of twin-turbocharged V6 petrol and diesel engines. The petrol unit is a 3.5-litre engine which develops 409 bhp and 650 Nm of torque. The diesel version will feature a 3.3-litre engine which is good for 302 bhp and 700 Nm of torque. No V8 engine will be available with the new version. The transmission duties will be carried out by a new 10-speed automatic gearbox which will send the drive to all four wheels, of course. Speaking of its off-road credentials, the LC300 gets Toyota's new electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system and a camera-based off-road assistance system. Other new features include radar-based cruise control, blind spot warning, autonomous emergency braking, etc.